viewers, just in case, and welcome to Mastermind. Please welcome Mona Lot. Chair wasn't in the right place. Just moving it. Go on then. Okay. Name Mona Lot. Age 2,929. Hometown. I really do love that town. It's the only thing I like. That's the only place I don't moan. Yeah. Okay. I love that town. Go on. Okay. Topic. Money. Why did I say that? Oh, go on now. Go on then. First question. What's in my bank account? Don't know. Oh! It's the wrong answer. Oh, that's £1 gazillion. Should have thought about it. Right. Next question. What is the same as 100p? Oh yeah! £1. Right! Yeah. Oh. What's £2.50 times 0? How am I supposed to know that? Wrong answer. 0. No. Next question. What's £1.75? No. £100.75 plus £20. 30p. £195. Next question. What's £100 minus 25? £75.